Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the press. Thank you for joining us today. We are gathered here to provide an official update regarding the disruption affecting the Temporary National Data Center, or PDNS2, which has impacted several government digital services across Indonesia. We understand that this situation has raised public concern, especially regarding the availability of essential digital services and the security of government data systems. Today, we will provide an official explanation of this incident, the current status of recovery efforts, and the steps being taken by the government to ensure system restoration and security. Please welcome Ms. Ulung S, the Head of Public Relations, Ministry of Communication and Informatics.
Good morning and thank you for joining us today. We are here to provide an update regarding the cybersecurity incident affecting the Temporary National Data Center (PDNS2), which occurred on June 20, 2024. Following immediate detection of system anomalies, the government, in coordination with the National Cyber and Crypto Agency (BSS), conducted an initial investigation to determine the cause and impact of the disruption. Based on the preliminary findings, the disruption was caused by a ransomware attack identified as Brain Chipper, which targeted systems within PDNS2 and resulted in limited disruption to several government digital services. We would like to emphasize that this incident is being treated with highest level of seriousness, and all relevant government agencies are actively involved in both recovery and investigation efforts. At this stage, we acknowledge that this incident has affected several public services and administrative systems used by government institutions, including immigration-related services and several public-facing digital platforms. As a result, the public may have experienced delays, temporary service interruptions, and reduced system accessibility in certain areas. We fully understand the inconvenience this has caused to citizens, and we sincerely apologize for the disruption. Since the incident began, the government has implemented several immediate measures. First, affected systems have been isolated to prevent further spread of the ransomware within the network. Second, a comprehensive digital forensic investigation is being carried out in collaboration with BSS and cybersecurity experts and law enforcement authorities to identify the origin, method, and scope of the attack. Third, a phased recovery process has been initiated to restore essential public services while ensuring that system integrity and security are fully maintained. Fourth, the government is conducting a broader evaluation of national data infrastructure governance to strengthen cybersecurity resilience and prevent similar incidents in the future. We would also like to highlight that this incident has become an important lesson in strengthening Indonesia's digital infrastructure and cybersecurity preparedness. We are aware that the perpetrators behind this attack have issued a ransom demand. However, the government of Indonesia firmly states that it will not comply with or engage in any form of ransom payment. This decision is based on national cybersecurity policy principles, as well as the need to avoid encouraging similar attacks in the future. At this moment, All efforts are focused on securing system restoration, forensic investigation, and ensuring that public services can resume in a safe and controlled manner. We also want to reassure the public that protecting citizen data remains our highest priority throughout this process. The government remains fully committed to transparency and will continue to provide updates as verified information becomes available. We ask for the public's patience and understanding while recovery efforts are ongoing. We also extend our appreciation to all technical teams, partner agencies, and institutions involved in managing this incident. Thank you for your attention.
We will now take one question from the press.
The government has decided not to pay the ransom demanded by the attackers. How can the public be assured that sensitive citizen data remains secure, and that full recovery of critical government services will be achieved without compromising system integrity?
Thank you so much for your question. At this stage, the investigation is still ongoing, and it would not be appropriate to draw premature conclusions regarding the full scope of the impact. However, what I can assure the public is that the government is working closely with cybersecurity experts and relevant authorities to ensure a thorough forensic analysis of the affected systems. Our priority is twofold. First, to restore public services in a secure and controlled manner, and second, to safeguard the integrity of government data infrastructure. The decision not to pay the ransom reflects our long-term cybersecurity strategy aimed at preventing future attacks and maintaining national digital sovereignty. We will continue to provide verified and transparent updates as soon as confirmed information becomes available. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention and your question. And thank you, Ms. Ulung, for the clarification. We appreciate the opportunity to address this matter openly today. We will continue to provide updates as more verified information becomes available. And if there are no further questions, this concludes today's press conference. Have a good day and thank you.